Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool Miss right here, and basically what this is an electric can opener, and it's from the brand called Kitchen Mama. So it basically uses product to open almost any kind of like cans, such as for clam chowder, or for your corn, or for your vegetables, or fruits, or whatever. As long as the product is in a can, then you definitely use this to open it up. So for this product, it comes in many different colors, but the one that we got right here is a teal green. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys see that's what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you take it out and see that this is basically what the product looks like. So you can see that they do provide you guys a user manual inside to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. But right here we have the actual product. So let's open it up and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. And if we turn it to the other side, this is what it looks like on this side. So the way how the product works is that you guys want to put your can inside right here. And it has a magnetic option right here, so that way you actually can open up the lid really easily once it opens up right here. But this is basically what the product looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on the other side right here. So first thing I want to do is remove this little tape right here first with the instruction to teach you guys how to use the product. Alright, so when you peel it out, this is basically what it actually looks like. So they definitely have the logo right there, and then here's the button to activate the product. So you basically want to press it one time to activate it, and you want to press it again one time to stop it. But obviously right now we don't have any batteries inside. So I'm actually open this part up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when we open up, you can see that that is basically what it looks like inside. So in order for you guys to use the product, you do need to use 4 of these AA batteries. So I'm actually going to get the battery and put it inside first. Alright, so we just want to put it inside right here. Alright, so we got the battery in. All we need to do now is actually close up the lid, then start using the product. So I just close it up. Alright, so once we close it up, and we press the button right here. You guys can see that definitely does work. But obviously, in order for us to actually find out whether or not the actual product works or not, is to actually go test it out. So I'm actually bringing this over and test it out on a can and to see how it works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So all we need to do is just put this on top right here and just press the button, and it does everything by itself. So I go like this, press the button. Alright, press the button again, and that will stop it. So you want to make sure to let it go one full round before you guys open it. So once you guys finish using the product, what you guys want to do is use this part right here, or the magnetic option inside, to take it out. If you guys can see, it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys all can test our product and definitely see it actually does work and it's quite well. So basically once you guys put this on your can, you just have to press that one button to activate it, and then press the same button again to stop it. You can definitely see from the video the product definitely does work. But now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. And especially if you guys don't like using like the manual can openers, this one is actually much more convenient. So definitely have to say that this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.